Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to change password on TikTok account. First of all, you can open the TikTok application. I can already open the app. After opening the app, you can now tap on profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Just simply tap on it, and after tapping on it, you can now go to the three lines at the top right corner of the screen, and here now tap on settings and privacy at very last, and after this you can now tap on account, and here you can now tap on password in the account section, and after tapping on password you can receive a code by TikTok in your Gmail. After pasting the code you can just simply create a new password, and after creating a new password you can now tap on save at the top right, and it is a way you can change password on TikTok account. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, trying using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes a browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.